Hello everybody, welcome to Vincar's VROOM channel. It's Dave and I'm Ben. Today we are going to look at something fresh off the boat from Japan, a model that has received lots of hype before it even reaches our shore in Singapore. It's finally here today, the 2020 Toyota Raize. Let's go! It is no secret that in recent years, SUV has been increasingly popular amongst car buyers. The Toyota Raize is a brand new compact crossover that was just launched a couple of months ago at the 2019 Tokyo Motor Show, and it's Toyota's answer to the mini SUV segment. On the outside, the katakana brush stroke light design from the RAV4 has been brought over to the new Raize. This recently introduced new styling cues provides the car with a sharper outlook while retaining loads of headroom on the inside as well. The front and tail lights of the Raize are equipped with LED bulbs with auto headlight and auto high beam function as standard. For the XS model we have here today, will come with the additional Smart Assist feature. With the aid from the two small cameras mounted behind the front windshield, the Smart Assist system will be able to provide collision avoidance brake assist, lane departure warning, force start suppression, and a list of other proactive collision prevention features. Even front-facing sensors will be fitted from factory on this sub $90,000 car. And the safety equipment doesn't stop there. Every single Raize will come equipped with 6 airbags from the factory, which isn't very common on Japanese cars at this price range. Under the bonnet is a new 1-litre turbo petrol engine. For our local buyers, the good news is that the road tax is below $400 per year. And don't you worry about the power of this car, weighing slightly below 1 ton. The 3-cylinder engine has no issue powering this compact SUV around town. Turning radius is exceptional for a small SUV as well. Measuring at just 5 meters, the Raize has a better turning radius than the Toyota Vios. And on the inside, the Raize is roomier than most of the other compact SUVs on the market. And on the two-wheel drive models like the one we have here, you even get an extra deep storage space underneath your rear cargo area. With such a friendly price tag, the Toyota Raize is more well equipped than most of its rivals in the price range. Who doesn't like an affordable, safe, reliable and practical SUV? I'm sure that the new Toyota Raize is going to be a major hit in our local market. Hurry up and come on down to our showroom at 24 Leng Road to find out more about this car. Our relationship managers will be more than willing to assist you. Thank you for watching Vincar's VROOM channel. We will see you next time.